Alright, so we got the truck lifted. Got other shit, got breakfast going. Here's my big ass surprise right here. Long tube headers from Speed Engineering. So shout out to Speed Engineering. Had the clamps. These are the O2 extended wires or whatever. But yeah, we got that shit going. This truck's it's already lifted, ready to go. Covers are off, everything's good to go. Just kind of just sit in. There's the man, the legend. The homie that's gonna do it.
I ain't no legend here. We're just out here working. That's
exactly.
Really what it is.
Exactly.
So just in case you guys didn't know, we got headers going on. Steph gonna give him what he was asking for, different sound, different tone, different, virtually everything. You've been getting after me for a couple weeks now and telling me, I wanna do it, I wanna do it, I wanna do it. All right, cool, let's do it. They're finally in. I'll tell you what, they're built pretty nicely, don't get me wrong. You know, me personally, I like Cooks and all that other stuff, but for the price and everything, can't go wrong.
Speed Engineering.
They're about to go down though.
Yes, sir. With a fucking magnaflow exhaust. Yeah, exhaust. Show you that shit real quick. Nothing too big, nothing too fancy. Yeah, we'll keep you up to date. Just watch this time lapse or whatever the fuck I'm gonna do, but let's do it.
My brother.
So step one's done, right?
Huh?
I said step one's done.
What?
Is it step one or step two?
I don't know, step 2?
Fuck,
maybe?
I don't fucking know.
Out, at least.
Yeah, we gotta take
I gotta get the manifolds out.
and get that bitch out. Just so we can fucking get that fucking just so we can fucking get it out. You have to hold the fucking trans and the drive line or between. Just so we can bolt it from that fucking. Yep, we're working on it. I'm getting at it. Alright, so we got the whole thing out. Got everything out, so now it's like with the new. I didn't show this part, but we already got the fucking headers in there.
My brother.
You see that one? Yeah, dude, it's pretty much easy. A little bit easy. We had a little better struggle. This one we had to do it from the top to the bottom, and then from the bottom, the other side to the.
My brother.
All right, man. So we got the fucking, got everything done inside. You wanna come check it out real quick? Got fucking headers on both sides. We just have to take off the jacks. Everything else is good. Once we put this bitch down, this bitch gonna roar hard. It's a Chevy thing. You know what? Gotta do it. is it for the fucking video. Got this bitch all cleaned up. This bitch sounds so fucking loud. It sounds crazy. I'm on a little roller, so that makes sense, right? But yeah, no, this truck, Beyonce, go ahead and add me on Instagram. This truck, Beyonce, got a few updates here. That's why I started doing this vlog and shit. Go ahead and look at our other vlogs as well on our Al Estilo page if y'all don't mind it. If y'all have any questions, feel free to ask, or go on the Instagram right here. Go ahead and ask, or on the comments. It don't matter. Just go ahead, share, like, comment, subscribe, do all that shit in the back. And man, this video ain't that big. This video ain't the greatest because it's my first video. So I'll get down, I'll get better. Yeah, so it's time to let her rest. Time to see what people think about it and see how many tickets I'll get afterwards. So catch you guys on some other video. This truck right here is actually gonna get something new. Be prepared for that, probably by the end of the year though, not beginning of the year. But yeah, you know, let me know if you had any, if you have any questions for it. There's some modifications I did to it. Just ask me in person. If I didn't really get everything because it was a kind of a pain in the ass because we had to cut some bolts, take off some part of the frames and shit. So it's just a little bits that you can do at home, nothing too big. So yeah, go ahead and message me for any questions. Again, it's right here. Let me zoom it in real quick. So yep, get that real quick. And yeah, you know, she's all done. Hopefully you guys liked it, and hopefully you guys can keep watching these fucking videos because I'm gonna be making a lot. So not just about my truck, but the people around me, man. Shout out to Milo, or MBS Milo. I'll put his thing somewhere below. He's the one that actually helped me out with this kit. He's the one that actually did it his own. I was there just to be a dummy, just give him tools. But yeah, hey, quick shout out to him. And by the way, this is not a Z71. If you saw the front end, this is not a Z71. This is a regular base model LT two-wheel drive, not a Z71. I put the Z71 grill just for the looks because I like that fucking grill. That grill's sexy as fuck. All right, and no, I did not copy anyone's color. This is the factory color. Besides the bumper, that is I color matched that and the front bumper. Those were chrome, but I color matched it because color matches, fuck, way better. But anyways, yeah, go ahead and fucking like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that shit below. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, man, stay up to date. I might do some more videos about some shit. So yeah, let's get this shit rolling.